Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about common digital marketing related terms with simple explanations. Hope you all will able to learn more about these terms. Let's get started. Before go into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.
What is multi-channel marketing?
Marketing is using multi-platforms such as website banners, Facebook ads, emails is known as multi-channel marketing. Marketers can understand what is suited communication channel that can reach to their potential customers through this multi-channel marketing. The approach also allows users to select which channel they want to interact with products and services.
What is email marketing?
Email marketing is a process of sending emails to individuals directly. Business is needed this marketing method to communicate with current customers. Email marketing is more personal tone rather than other marketing method because it is directed to particular set of customers who have already engaged with business. Companies can establish their voice for their brands via email marketing rather than other marketing methods.
What is microblogging?
Instead of posting large scale of content in a blog site, publishing short content such as video, image, links or few sentences / message and shared is called as microblogging. Examples. Examples for microblogging platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Google+.
What is growth hacking?
Growth hacking is a smart use of technology of analytical methods with the purpose of lower cost marketing. Mostly, companies are combine these smart creative use of technology and analytical methods with their product development to increase the company's growth. Creating websites, mobile apps, marketing emails are examples for smart use of technology in growth hacking. Data mining, A/B testing, online surveys are examples for analytical use of social media ads. Website ads are examples for lower cost marketing of growth hacking that are used by companies who are in the initial state and willing to grow up with low cost effective marketing methods.
What is A/B testing?
A/B testing is kind of a comparison that used to measure the which version perform better of online contents. In this process, two versions of online content that named as A and B, presented to the user randomly. Most better performed content version is selected based on the user's reaction gauge. Advertisers, content creators, application developers use this testing methods to decide which version is suited for their online content such as software / mobile applications, websites, videos, email marketing, etc.
What is data mining?
Marketers needs to find out what are the interests of their target audience. Analyzers need to find what will be the beneficial way to market their product or service. Data mining is the method that marketers analyzers use to get the result of customer interests, behavior, buying pattern, etc. In data mining, large amount of potential data in a user database or websites is examined to understand relationships that can be useful to marketing goods and services online.
What is CTA?
Call to action, CTA, is literally request to the web user to take an action for read more content, join to email list, sign up for the webinar, buy products, rate for the site, etc. CTA can be displayed to the web users as images, banners, text, or forms. The main purpose of this call to action process is to convert the web users into leads for businesses.
What is Ctr?
Number of web users who click on the links in the web pages or marketing emails are taken as click-through rate, Ctr. It is a measure to calculate that how many users are actively engaging with the link contents in sites.
What is content curation?
Content curation is a process of gathering what user interest areas in social medias or present contents that are published under a specific topic. Those present contents can be articles, links, videos, images, or news, etc.
How content curation process?
The person called curator manually selected the contents, or there are automated programs that can track the things like hashtags, comments, likes, upvotings, or analysis the user previous online activities.
Finally, what is summary?
Content curation is tracking something that populating in any media.
What is conversion?
Conversion can achieve as a result of successful marketing methods. Conversion is successful end result of your marketing attempts. People may use A/B testing, content marketing, email marketing, or social media marketing to promote their brands, services, products, etc. As a point of conversion, potential customer become an actual customer due to those marketing attempts. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is a method of marketing that converts user with a paying customer method. It is increasing the percentage of customers by encouraging users to specific action of website. Those specific actions may be signing up for a trial version, signing up for silver accounts and upgrade account later for gold or platinum memberships, etc.
What is embedding?
Adding content that is published in social media to a social media site is called embedding. For an example, adding YouTube videos, Facebook articles, images to a blog site or website. In order to embed this content to your blog site or social media site, you have to use HTML code related to the content.
Who use this embedding?
Most social media such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter provides embed HTML code to the users to populate their contents in blog sites and websites.
What is engagement?
When a business engages with social media, it starts to publish posts, comments, share posts related their business or business-related operations. Engagement is like a measurement of interactions with business social media. What metrics companies do is they use the social media performance to evaluate the business operations. Examples. The popular engage measured examples are liking on Facebook, Instagram posts, tweeting on Twitter, and pins in interest, etc.
What is impression?
Some content, article, video, image, news, has been requested or fetched from its source time to time. The number of times that particular content has been requested from its source is considered as an impression. For an example, the social media content that is shown frequently in your web browser is the one that was most impressing content from the web server at the time.
Examples.
Most searched videos on YouTube, most liked post on Facebook, most tweet topic on Twitter.
Who are influencers?
Influence is an individual or group in social media who can use their platform to influence for an opinion and behavior of groups. Examples. Examples of influences: celebrities' pages, accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTubers who have a large number of subscribers, activist groups, organizations on Facebook.
What are keywords?
A keyword is a word or phrase that search engines use to find out online contents. Keywords are the things that search engines use to understand that what users are really searching. Keyword researching is a powerful internet marketing method to gather high traffic of users to the websites. A high traffic keyword can optimize search engine placement of a particular website.
What is mention in social media?
Referring to a particular person or account on social media platform is the way of someone engaging with something in social media. It is known as mention in social media. This mention is measurement to metric companies to measure social media footprint of a particular person or business. Examples. Examples for the mentions at your Twitter handle plus your name on Google plus tag people on Facebook.
What is mood board?
Mood boards are kind of collection of contents such as images or materials or piece of texts, etc. Mood boards are designed in the pre-production part of creative projects such as websites, 3D animations, 2D animations to represent the visual style of output. Then visual designers will translate mood board into digital form. That will be the final visual style output of mood board.
What is organic content?
If a content gains more likes, repost or views, then it is placed as highly ranked content by social media. Those kinds of content are known as organic content. Organic contents are not content that are popular under paid promotions. Any articles, memos, statements, messages, posts, or video that is becoming viral in social media with the assist of an online community sharing are examples of the organic.
What is reach in social media?
Reach is a measurement for the potential social media audience size. The term reach is like something that can display the number of people who has access to your content, but it does not mean that the audience is really viewing your content. It simply means that this amount of audience is accessing your content.
What is sales funnel?
Sales funnel is a kind of internet marketing method that website owners use to enroll the users who visit their websites. Users are tending to go in a series of events or processes that can be mapped as funnel. The broadest level at the top of the funnel involves drawing users to your website that ends up with join to email list, sign up for the services or buying the product, etc. At the bottom of the funnel, users are eventually become a paying customer for the service or product that are offered by the website.
What is SEM?
Search engine marketing, SEM, is a process of paid advertising contents in search engines. Those contents can be a brief description about a product or service, product listing, video clips, etc. Then those kinds of contents become highly ranked in search engines in order to gain high traffic to the websites.
What is search engine optimization?
Search engine optimization, SEO, is a method of internet marketing to rank websites at the top of search engines. Mainly this result of SEO comes as unpaid search results. This process is done by analyzing search engines' algorithms, behaviors and keyword researching, trends analyzing in each community, etc. Marketers use these keywords in their contents or align their contents with popular keywords to get more traffic to the contents. Then search engines optimizations is happened as the result of high traffic of the contents. Examples: websites that comes first as result of searching contents on Google. Videos that comes first as result of when searching contents on YouTube.
What are sitemaps?
Maps are something that guide travelers with providing details about place. Likewise, sitemaps are also maps or outlines of pages that displayed the makeup of website. It is kind of a document that showed the relationship between pages, links, videos, images, apps, or any other component in a website. Sitemaps are very useful to present the entire outline of your websites to search engines. Then the search engines can rank websites easily according to the related content of website.
What is social graph?
A social graph is a model of internet users that displays how users are in social media sites are related with all each others. Friends suggestions on Facebook, Twitter, product suggestions are some results of social graphs. The social graph is important for suggesting accounts, online activities, events that user likes, etc.
What is traffic?
Traffic is simply what the total amount of the users who visit the website's contents. It also divided as unit visitors that are known as permanent readers and total clicks that are resulted as bouncing to the website contents.
What is user-generated contents?
User-generated content is a content that is created by user about particular product, not by interaction of the company that actually own that brand or product. It may be user experience of that product or review of that product. Sometimes it may be an image or small video clip that are published in social medias to share their happy moment with that particular products. Examples. Example: if you post image of a moment that you are watching a film with tagging the movie poster is an extra publicity to movie through your user-generated content. Hello everyone. Welcome to another explanation video. This video is about the URLs.
Okay, what are these URLs?
The word URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. As we know, the internet is made up of millions of pages of information. To access these pages, you need an address. Each web page has a unique address called the URL. A web browser uses the URL of a web page to retrieve from the computer which it resides. A URL is divided into 6 parts, where each part gives particular information about the web page. Examples: www.youtube.com, www.wikipedia.com, www.facebook.com. Let's inspect syntax of URL deeply. Protocol. Domain name, port number. Directory path. Object name. As an example, let's take the URL of our channel. It can be included into 6 parts of URL as showed in the table. Okay, let's understand each part of URL one by one. Protocol. Represent the name of the protocol, that is, rules to be followed to access the data that is residing on the World Wide Web. Domain name. Represents the name of the web server where the desired web page or other resource resides. Directory path. Represents the location of the web page in the web server's file system. Object name. Specifies the actual name of the file or the document for the desired web page or the name of the other resource required.
What is website optimization?
Website owners need more traffic to grow their website. They use methods like growth hacking to getting more attraction to their website among viewers. Their final expected result is converting those viewers to customers. This way they use to convert viewers as their customer is known as website optimization. It is kind of a tricky skill that should be able to improve the website. For an example, if website can be able to change viewers lead more pages, purchase a product, subscribe for newsletters, it is a kind of a website optimization. It can be done by using the results of A/B testing, providing most accurate contents that match to user interest, make site navigation easily, etc.
What is ad extension?
When you place Google AdWords ad, you need to provide additional details like your company address, pricing, reviews, etc. Those are called as ad extension.
What is anchor text?
An anchor text is a word or set of word clickable in a hyperlink. It can use to navigate between web pages, blog posts, or websites easily. It can use as ranking signal to search engines.
What is alternative text?
In HTML, hypertext markup language, alt text provides additional information about visual information such as details related images in a web page. It is kind of a textual alternative that provide brief detail about visible content.
What is backlink?
A backlink refers to a link that is hyperlinked to another website. Backlinks are caused to rank higher position in Google or other search engines. For that, backlink should establish with trusted website. Backlink also referred as incoming links, inbound links, and inward links. Search engines consider backlinks as kind of vote for a specific web page. To get a higher Google authority, a website should have strong backlinks. If the web page has higher number of backlinks, it tends to increase organic search engine ranking generally. The other important thing is backlinks enhance discoverability of your web page and the referral traffic also able to gain to your web page via backlinks. But there is important thing to consider when creating backlinks. Most important thing is the quality of backlink. The other thing is backlinks utility. There are steps that we can apply to create a high quality backlink. Some of them are: analyze and replicate competitors' best backlinks using free tools like Ahrefs Backlink Checker. Gust blogging and build a solid internal linking structure. Use outdated resources to build links. Another thing is, relevance of backlink is effect to the quality and utility of backlink. For an example, assume you have a website regarding TV series. Then you need to create a backlink from TV series related websites rather than any other website. Then you will be able to utilize quality backlink. Increased traffic is another thing that a backlink able to do. If a backlink able to be placed on a high traffic gain web page, then it will able to direct more referral traffic to your web page easily.
What is Black Hat Seo?
Black Hat SEO is an unethical method that used to establish higher rank on a search engine result page. Some of the techniques that can use to perform Black Hat SEO are mentioned below. Keyword stuffing. Reporting a competitor, negative SEO. Hidden text or links. Cloaking. Article spinning. Content automation, etc. These methods are kind of malicious tactics to rank contents on search results unethically. But these methods can cause to destroy your web page as well, because search engine can be banned to index such a website as penalty of using such methods to increase traffic of websites.
What is article spinning?
Publishing any other person content by changing its terms, sentences, or different synonyms by using grammar tricks is known as article spinning. It is also known as content spinning. Here the publisher gets the well-ranked article or post on a search engine. Then rewrite it or use article spinning apps, programs to change the content. It is something like duplicating someone creative content by changing its terms and sentences, but the idea is same. Therefore, it causes to duplicate the content in the internet. But if you are using this method for rewrite your own original article as an alternative version of your article, it is perfectly okay.
What is cloaking?
Cloaking is a technique that directs users to another site apart from the site's true content. Therefore both users and the search engines are not in same page. So user and search engines deceived as a result of cloaking. The goal of the cloaking is boost website for ranking on a certain keywords, but search engines does not like cloaking because it frustrate the user experience on web pages. So getting caught cloaking caused to removed indexed from search engines.
What is keyword stuffing?
A website needs to be ranked at the top of the search result to get more traffic. Keyword stuffing is a technique that is used to optimize rank by concentrating relevant keywords, but keywords are repeated multiple times in metadata, links, or text on the web page. The purpose is keyword stuffing is to increase the website traffic artificially, but it is unethical and ineffective because filling pages with keywords like keyword stuffing will not affect rank on search engines like Google. The search engines like Google will penalize or demote your web page from search results if they caught that you are doing keyword stuffing in your web content.
What is brand awareness?
There are popular brands that come to your mind at once when you need such kind of product. For example, if you are thirsty, you will remember the Coca-Cola drink at once. If you are hungry, you will remember McDonald's food at once. The brands like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Adidas, Honda has generated consumer awareness by using various forms of advertising methods. Then the consumer recalls and recognizes the brand for certain necessities. This is known as brand awareness. Companies use several marketing strategies to enhance their brand awareness because consumer awareness is a key point to grow up their sales. The consumer will not purchase anything unless they have no idea about the product category. Advantages and disadvantages of brand awareness. Brand awareness helps to grow up business, achieve a range of business goals and objectives. It causes you to expand the audience that engages with your product and service. It will drive massive traffic to your website. It will cause to build brand affinity and cultivate leads. That means if many people know about your brand, then most of them will utilize your brand for their necessities. It causes you to develop your brand at the top of the field among your competitors. Disadvantages of brand awareness. Most of the things of brand awareness are advantages, but there are fewer disadvantages as follows. Building a brand awareness marketing funnel is a complex scenario because it needs to analyze things like market situation, consumer behavior, competitor behavior, etc. It is expensive to design and creates a brand identity because it needs a lot of dedication, money, and it consumes more time. It is difficult to maintain brand awareness because the market keeps changing every day. So need to focus on it frequently and need to apply changes as required of your brand identity expansion. It will be a quite difficult and expensive process, but it needs to be done to sustain your brand among the competitors' brands.
What is brand equity?
Brand equity refers to the value of your brand name like this. It is something like how many businesses can generate to the particular brand name. Brand equity is the brand name that generates as a result of brand awareness. It can facilitate to companies long-term awareness. A well-established brand name can generate more business. Then the brand equity also increases gradually as a result of it. The other thing is expanding your products to your different markets in different geographical locations is also easy with brand equity. There is a term called negative brand equity. It is something like this. Consumers in the market are willing to pay more for a generic product rather than paying for a branded product. By the way, brand equity is a competitive advantage that results in higher sales with a lower cost of the product. Then it causes to gain higher revenue for the company as well.
What is push marketing?
Push marketing is a marketing effort that takes to grab the attention of potential or existing customers. In push marketing, target people or consumers get the message that has been designed by marketers regarding their promotions. Email marketing campaigns, social media ads campaigns for a specific audience are some examples of push marketing efforts. There are advantages and disadvantages of push marketing as follows. It is allowing to take control of planning to reach for an exact wider audience. It causes to increase the sales by raising the awareness of product or service. Disadvantage. It causes to occur spam issues since it may contain messages with irrelevant terms. For example, if you are doing email marketing about promotional items, links, email services may consider your email as spam.
What is customer acquisition?
All the sales and marketing activities involved in obtaining a customer are known as customer acquisition. One of the most efficient ways to acquire customers is finding the platforms where the audience of your business is active. Then starting to promote your product or service on those platforms by creating a regular post. There are many more strategies to acquire customers. Some of these strategies to acquire new customers for your business are as follows. Leverage video content in the right acquisition channel. People tend to be visual learners nowadays. So creating explainer videos about your product and service is most important to increase the sales via organic traffic to your sales channel. Creating video content is good, but you need to analyze your customer base to find out the right channel to promote it as well. Nowadays, social media like Facebook, YouTube have become the most popular places to promote video content and acquire new customers to the business. Giveaways for the audience. This is a good method to acquire customers via giving something like prizes, cashback, coupons. It will pave the way to win your consumers as loyal customers. It will be an extra push to select your business as the best option for your necessities. Create high-quality content about your product and service. Content marketing is an evergreen way to make new sales to your business. It will use to show your expertise in the industry. You can create a blog for your business, and creating informative, engaging content will help you drive traffic to your business. It will cause to obtain new customers as well. The other thing is you can use social media to promote your content regarding your product and service for free. Then people will tend to make trust your business by reading your content. Run a referral program. Running a referral program like affiliate marketing programs will cause to make the attention of new customers that are interested in your business niche. It will cause to acquire new customers to your business by providing special discounts, incentives, bonuses, invite friends program, etc.
What is customer acquisition cost?
The average cost that needs to spend to obtain a customer. It is a value that calculates by dividing sales and marketing expenses from the total number of customers. For example, assume that we are spending $100 budget for the promotion of the business's first quota of this year and acquire 25 new customers in the first quota of business this year. So the customer acquisition cost is calculated as below.
What is customer lifetime value?
Amount of revenue a customer generates to your business is known as customer lifetime value. For example, assume that a customer of your business pays $15 for utilizing your service. This customer has been doing this payment for 1 year. So, the customer lifetime value is calculated as below.
What is cost per click?
The cost of each click in a paid search engine marketing campaign is known as cost per click, CPC. There are pay-per-click platforms such as Google Ads, StarClick, Clickado that provide CPC ads to publishers. Advertiser will pay for the publisher when user click on their ads. For example, assume that you need to promote your product. You can place ads on network like Google AdSense that allows to set a marketing campaign by providing daily budget. Here you need to decide a value for one click that you pay for users who click and visit your advertisement. That's how you allocate CPC value for the marketing campaign.
What is pay per click, PPC?
Pay per click, PPC, is a marketing model that advertisers pays for each click that perform on their advertisement every time. This is an artificial method of getting traffic to the specific product or service. For example, assume you have blog that has 1,000 to 2,000 organic traffic. Then you can join with the PPC platform like Google AdSense. Then they will provide necessary Google ads that suits for your blog. When your website visitors click on these ads on your blog, you will earn money as a result of CPC.
What is customer segmentation?
Customer segmentation, also known as market segmentation, is the process of categorizing customers into groups based on their interest, needs and budget. It is important to know about your customers because it can use to promote your product and service to specific customers who has potential value to do business with you. A proper customer segmentation is essential to launch effective email marketing campaigns that boost your conversion rate as well.
What is off-page optimization?
Everything that can do for optimize your organic search ranking without involving your actual website is known as off-page optimization. Creating valuable backlink, social media marketing, guest posting, forum posting are some methods that we can use to do off-page optimization.
What is on-page optimization?
Everything that can do for optimize your organic search ranking on your website is known as on-page optimization. Integrating relevant keyword into your web pages, optimize title tags and meta tags in your content description, optimizing images and URLs, improving site loading time, use responsive design to your site, use internal links in your web pages and expand user behavior on your site are some of things that can do for off-page optimization.
What is hypertarget advertising?
A marketing strategy that allows marketers to reach customers by delivering extremely customized advertising methods like ads, emails, text messages by analyzing customers' interest is known as hypertarget advertising. For example, assume you have a blog that published content about food recipes. Then you will have an audience that always searches about food recipes. The audience can be categorized as vegetarian dishes interested visitors, desserts interested visitors, soups interested visitors. Then you can provide specific advertisements for specific interested audience categories rather than provide general food advertisements to your entire audience. There are certain things that we can use to diversify our audience to perform a good hyper-targeting advertising method. Categorize the customer base according to the demographic. That means you can categorize your customers according to age, gender, occupation, job, income, hobby, etc. Categorize the customer base location-wise and the specific area, region, etc. It will be beneficial to promote special offer advertisements of your product to special days in certain countries, areas. Analyze customers' interests by tracking buyers' behaviors on social media pages of your business, such as they comment and like on social media, special keywords buyers use when sending messages. Analyze and track customer buying habits, frequent search items by using search queries, keywords, etc. The benefits of this hyper-targeting advertising are as follows. Understanding the buyer persona and providing personalized ads such as text messages, emails to a specific customer group will help to avoid spamming and increase customer engagement with your promotions, and finally, your conversion rate will increase gradually. Cause to increase brand awareness, receive valuable feedback from the audience by introducing the right product to the right customer on the right platform. Hyper-targeting advertising method will be cost-effective rather than spending a huge budget to reach people that are not interested in your product. Some of the successful examples of hyper-targeting advertising methods. Facebook campaigns. Facebook allows you to build up your audience when creating an ads campaign. Then the Facebook algorithm lists the people who match our buyer persona. For that, Facebook users various details such as live events, purchase activities, commented posts. Then they show them targeted advertisements, and Facebook uses these data to remarket to the audience who previously engage with your advertisements or brand. Google Ads. Google Advertisement Network is another powerful hyper-marketing advertising method that can use to place ads based on search engine result pages. It can use to place ads for specific web surfers considering search phrases, interests, locations of users who are using the Google search engine daily. Email marketing. Another popular way to do hyper-targeting advertising is email marketing campaigns. We can use email marketing software like Sendingblue, GetAResponse, MailChimp, HubSpot to add different customer groups' email lists according to their interests and promote creative content, emails to them. The other benefits are, retargeting customers according to their reaction to the campaign launched from time to time, and by tracking results of campaigns to improve next campaigns based on previous campaigns' results.
What are pop-up ads?
You have been experienced with the new browser windows or boxes that open automatically on top of content that highlighted the special promotions, products, services, or offers. Those ads are known as pop-up ads. These kinds of ads may be annoying to the visitors that may damage the image of your website among visitors.
What are pop-under ads?
Unlike pop-up ads, pop-under ads display as separate window under the content that use is looking currently. It is an advantage because visitors might be interested to engage with ad because it capture the attention as they wonder.
What are display ads?
Display ads are the most basic type of digital ads that are created based on images and text primarily. Banner ads, landing pages, pop-ups, flash ads, pop-under ads that are displayed on blogs, websites are an example of display ads. Display ads do not appear as a search engine result, and display ads can easily place in ad space on a blog/website. It is affordable to implement and very simple to manage according to the requirements. Display ads can be seen everywhere on the internet. These ads are very useful for promoting anything generally. That means without targeting a specific audience. For example, add topics such as events, shows, games, hotel offers, movies, TV series, products, can expose a massive audience without reaching a specific audience by using display ads.
What are native ads?
Native ads are also similar to display ads, but it strategically targets the audience. Native ads are used to present ads that are relevant to the audience's online habits, recent search history. For example, assume your search for some items on an e-commerce website. When you go to purchase next time, the website show similar items ads under the things you may interest phrase. They use search history, cookies show similar items native ads for it. Visitors also like to engage with native ads because it is the least obtrusive to users. There is a subtype of these native ads as in-feed ads, search ads, recommendation widgets, promoted listings. In-feed ads. In-feed ads are integrate advertisements that are better into the content of the app/website/blog while less annoying to the user. Search ads. Search ads are advertisements placed on web pages that come as a result of search engine queries. Those ads are placed on web pages to output according to relevant keywords. Recommendation widgets. Providing a paid content link via widgets is known as recommendation widgets ads. Promoted listings. Paid ads that are shown as a result of search keywords in online shopping platforms.
What is Kpi?
KPI is also known as Key Performance Indicator, uses to measure the success of marketing campaigns. It is an appearance of some key factors of the success rate of marketing campaigns. The factors that use to measure the KPI is click-through rate, bounce rate, engagement rate, etc.
What is a lookalike audience?
A lookalike audience is a way of targeting new people who are interesting in your business by using existing customers' characteristics. For example, Facebook is one of the popular social media platforms that use to promote products and services. Their system leverages information such as demographics, interests, behaviors of the source audience to find new audiences that have similar characteristics. The most important thing is, lookalike audience cause to explore your brand to entirely new people that haven't heard your business or brand ever before, but their characteristics are similar to your existing audience characteristics. So, it will enhance your brand awareness among similar-minded people.
What is a lead nurturing?
The process of building trust with your prospect and educating and guiding people to go through the buyer's journey is known as lead nurturing. Providing unique experience about particular service or product by tending your audience to coming back for more and finally become your customers. There are lots of examples of lead nurturing methods. Some of it has been mentioned below. Personalized emails. Direct emails. Your unique experience-based video tutorials. Retargeting PPC ads.
What is inbound marketing?
Inbound marketing is an approach that focuses on gathering high-fit customers while spreading your product details publicly. SEO methods such as on-site SEO, off-site SEO are very common methods to inbound marketing. The advantage of inbound marketing is providing long-term scalable growth to your business. For example, assume you are spending a budget and posted some guest posts on a popular blog site regarding your business service. It will keep sending traffic to your business continuously, but if you use outbound marketing tactic like paid advertisements, After the given duration of your marketing campaign, it will stop sending traffic to our business, unlike inbound marketing tactics.
What is pillar page?
A page that covers certain topics of your website/blog site on a surface level is known as a pillar page. Pillar pages can be a certain blog post, a landing page that are aggregating content in a cluster. Pillar page contains a set of topics in a descriptive way that has a link to related subtopics content in a blog that has described in detail. For example, if you have published a blog post that has described everything related to email marketing in general, not deep explanations, then link other contents that have covered subtopics in detail to the pillar page. The advantage of an Is pillar page is, it assists to increase authority on the topic on search engines and improves the ranking for each article. The other benefit is, pillar page becomes a funnel to converting the audience who is interested in a general topic into subtopics that are relevant to their specific requirement. It will cause to increase in the time spent on a time of a user.
What is landing page?
An individual web page that has been created to promote a specific marketing campaign regarding a product or service is known as a landing page. Landing pages are like a door of a funnel that drives traffic to a specific advertising campaign. Landing pages contain details about the online event that execute to drive traffic, leads, and finally convert them to sales. For example, advertisers can promote a musical show by adding details about the event attractively. Then the landing page with embedding a button to reserve the seat for the musical show via clicking the Ctr button of the landing page. It will act as a funnel to selling tickets to reserve a seat at the event. Likewise, landing pages can design to encourage visitors to sign up for a website, enroll in the courses, win the giveaways, purchase an item, etc. So, it is important to create a detailed, attractive landing page to grab more results in online marketing campaigns.
What is customer pain point?
Specific problems that customer or prospective customer of your business are experiencing in the marketplace is simply known as customer pain points. There are 4 types of customer pain points, such as productivity pain point, support pain point, financial pain point, and process pain point. Productivity pain point. Productivity issues that occur in your marketplace are known as productivity pain points. The redundancy process of the buying process will cause customers time waste when purchasing products. It will be a frustration to the customer and cause them to leave your marketplace. Optimizing productivity by less interrupting buying process, increasing the comfort and convenience of your marketplace and product will help to reduce productivity pain points. Support pain points. Customer who faces problems during the buying process should need to receive help to resolve them as soon as possible. If they did not receive help or get a timely response from customer service will cause to occur support pain points. The ultimate result will be leaving a potential customer from your marketplace. So, improving customer assistance by adding chatbots, adding trained customer service representatives to your marketplace will cause to avoid this problem. Financial pain point. Prospective customers who are spending too much money with their current providers or products and need to reduce or cut off their spending cause to occur financial pain points. Here are some common financial pain points. Expensive subscription plans, membership fees, delivery charges for a particular product or service will cause to change customer minds to another similar product or service. Adding additional fees at the checkout page, lack of transparency with the final price, or unable to redeem discounts using coupons also tend customers to leave the product or service. Fees of service dramatically jump up after a certain time period, or low quality product that are not worth for the price or need to be replaced time to time also cause to change the mind of the customer regarding product or service. A fair price with affordable charges will cause to reduce the financial pain points in your business. Process pain point. Process pain points are something that feels pain to your customer when they visit to get information regarding product and service, or placing orders, getting quotations, etc. If your buyer will be fed up with too many suboptimal processes or need to crawl through lots of pages to get such details or place an order, it will cause you to switch them to another brand. So, maintaining a good relationship with customers, considering customers' complaints and suggestions, and building up a smooth process to the point of sale that attracts your customer base will cause to reduce process pain points. Perform qualitative market research, talk to your customer service and sales team, provide feedback surveys to your customer base from time to time will cause to reduce the customer pain point of your business marketplace.
What is competitive analysis?
A complete investigation about other businesses similar to your business is known as competitive analysis. Analyzing competitors include identifying competitors' mistakes, understanding their strengths and weaknesses, and then finding the gap in the market that other businesses aren't covering yet. The competitive analysis should cover up the following steps. Identification of competitors that represent a threat to your market share. Then select appropriate parameters that need to be analyzed. Then track the details that you gathered as a result of your competitive analysis process. After that, share these details with your company staff or your clients to develop the business. For example, assume your business is a computer, laptops business. First, you should understand that what are the competitive brands in the market who conducting this business, like HP, Dell, IBM, etc. Then specifically focus on some core details such as other products of your competitor, how do they price those products, what are the ways they use to promote those products such as social media presence, blog posts, YouTube paid ads, etc. Then add these details to a database, spreadsheet that can store and retrieve whenever needed. Then track these details and identify the opportunities based on the details.
What is ad exchange?
The ad exchange is a process of providing ad space by the publisher to the advertiser. Some marketplaces provide advertising space to be brokered or auctioned. Advertisers can buy these ad space that can use to expose their banner ads, video ads to a large amount of audience. This is a fully automated process that calculates the price of advertising space and inventory in real time. Demand for the ad space is dependent on the supply of impressions that can provide for the advertisement. The mechanism of this ad exchange functions similar to an auction. Merchants who are willing to place their ads on an ad space can bid to a particular ad space with a specific number of ad impressions. The highest bidders will get the chance to advertise the ads. Google Ads, Microsoft Advertising Exchange, AppNexus are some example for ads exchange providing platforms that are most popular in the field now.
What is contextual targeting?
The placement of a display advertisement on a website drives web traffic that is relevant to the product being sold in the advertisement. It is something like placing an advertisement on the right matching web content included website/blog site. It is similar to the technique that search engines use to put up an advertisement on the search result page by matching the keywords in the search query with content in the advertisement. Sessions information like users' browsing history is a key factor that used to easily figure out users' indentations and interests. Based on relevant keywords that are suited to the user's interests, ads are placed. This is how contextual targeting is processed basically.
What is behavioral targeting?
Segmenting customers based on their online internet surfing behavior is known as behavioral targeting. The data for behavioral targeting is collected by analyzing some factors like users' web browsing history, the products they mostly purchased, social media pages they liked and engaged mostly, etc. Then categorized visitors who have similar behavior and define them as a particular audience segment. Then advertisers can match particular ads that are suited to the online behavior of this audience segment.
What is search retargeting?
Analyze the keyword search behavior of the visitors are browsing in the web and serve display ads that suits to their keyword search online is known as search retargeting. Search retargeting is important when set up a marketing campaign by For example, if you are selling vehicles as a business. The users who like to search the keyword like vehicle, vehicle parts, latest cars, electric cars will more like to see your advertisement. So, display your ad such audience will cause to get more business.
What is site retargeting?
Site retargeting is a method of targeting visitors to show display ads who have visited your site once but left without taking any actions. For example, assume you have an e-commerce site. Visitors who visited your site but did not do any purchases will target to show display ads in site targeting.
What is predictive targeting?
This method of targeting the audience is based on the visitor's past online behavior. Then use artificial intelligence and machine learning to predict the future behavior of your audience. For example, analyze your visitors' buying patterns and provide similar related products to them. It will cause cross-selling items. The other thing is, it will be able to predict the future buying preferences of your audience. It will cause you to create a suitable marketing campaign that suits your audience's future requirements and make more sales as well.